you, but she didn't want to say it. She wanted me to say it. You can only have these lollipops.
Folks look alive, please. Filling all that dead space.
Chambers, and strange and frightening sounds echo through the halls. Whenever candlelights flicker, where the air is deathly still, that is the time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight. Tour begins here in this gallery, where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state.
Ladies and gentlemen, please drag your bodies away from the walls towards the dead center of the room inside the red circle, please. All the way in, folks. Plenty of room. I promise it's not a trap, I think. I said think. Draw your attention to the master's portraits above.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say. There are several prominent ghosts who have retired here from creepy old miracles all over the world. Actually, we have 999 happy haunts here. But there's room for 1,000. Any volunteer? If you insist on lagging behind, you may not need to volunteer. The carriage that will carry you into the moldering sanctum of the spirit world will accommodate you and one or two loved ones. Kindly watch your step as you board.
Raving spooks have interrupted our tour.
We spirits
Please
haunt our
remain
best
seated in your
gloomy
doomed
darkness.
buggy.
So remember,
We will proceed
no
in just a
flash
moment.
pictures.
Breakfast with Margarita?
Yeah, because I took the whole canyon.
Will not fall down on the safety bar. I will report and heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only if you remain safely seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside and watch your children, please.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y cuide a los pequeñitos. Y ahora, prepárese.
We find it delightfully unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps, and hot and cold running chills. Listen.
and ghoulies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your tambourine. Creepies and crawlies, toads in a pond. Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. Rap on a table.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for a swinging wake and will be expecting me. I'll see you all a little later.
Please exit to your left by stepping away from the cars with your left foot first. Step out and stand on the
Make a final arrangements now. We've been dying to have you. They should.